Hey, my name is Ed. I've been skateboarding for 78 years at this point. I first met Spiko in Santa Monica after a Tractors of Marxism show. Oh, you've heard of Tractors of Marxism? Okay. It's good stuff, right? It's good, yeah. Yeah. He was a god to the people out west, man. I mean, do you remember back in the 80s they had the party animal dog? You know, you put a dog on a skateboard, push him around, sell your beers, and life is good. But you know, you put a cat on a skateboard and it's chaos. It's chaos incarnate.
I have my friends, they are my family. In the end, we are a different breed. You have your guns, you're talking at TV. You have your wars, and that's alright with me. I still have the same old dream and nothing can be what it seems. The Dr. Decker make the call, I see the gates and break out walls. Now I'm in an institution, murder is a resolution. Trying to do with crazy guys like the space, I don't know why. I have my friends, they are my family. In the end, we are a different breed. You have your guns, you're talking at TV. You have your wars, and that's okay with me. Night breed, night breed, night breed, night breed. Oh, time too many and we run, trying to escape the sound. Heaven says that I'll be looking for the beast. I'm sure he's wrong. I made immortal from his mind. Kinski says I'll never die. Till it's time, but the moon cycle will be coming soon.
Thing is, as Spike was learning to grind from us, we were learning how to live through him. He once said to me, Ed, you know, there's not going to be someone to scoop out your litter box every day of your life. You know, you have to do these things for yourself. You know, and it's probably a good idea to grow your own catnip as well. So, you know, it's kind of profound to me to grow your own. Is it 4 o'clock already?
Night breed, night breed, night breed, night breed. I have my friends, they are my family. In the end, we are a different breed. Night breed.
Yeah, he skates outside. Why? That's what you guys want to see next? Okay. Well, we'll probably have to do that for the next video. How's that sound?